is widely speculated that interest rates will fall if the Bank of Korea lowers the policy rate. So, does this mean that the profitability of banks will also fall? A recent analysis revealed that despite the volatility in the US policy rate during the past 60 years, there have been no notable changes in the profitability of US banks. Then how have they been left unscathed? A bank's profit is represented by the gap between the lending rate and deposit rate. The interest rates typically moved in line with the policy rate, but the deposit rate fell by a smaller margin than the cuts in the policy rate. The loan interest rate also fell by the same small margin because banks had balanced the shares of long-term loan and short-term loan, where the long-term loan rate does not change for a short period of time, while the short-term loan rate changes vis-a-vis the policy rate. The banks were able to adjust their deposit rates and the shares of long-term and short-term loans thanks to their dominance in the deposit market. This dominance is owed to two factors. The first is weak market competition, as only a small number of approved banks can do business. The second is that, regardless of the interest rate, there is little difficulty in securing new deposits because people always need deposit accounts to save and withdraw their money. Then has the policy rate affected the net profit of banks in Korea? KDI conducts an empirical analysis based on data for the last 20 years and finds that the correlation between the two is almost negligible. In fact, on a 1 percentage point drop in the call rate, which stays almost the same as the policy rate, the deposit rate and loan rate both fall by a mere 0.5 percentage points. Specifically, thanks to their market dominance, banks do not suffer any major losses in their profit from a policy rate cut because the loan rate and deposit rate fall by the same margin.
분석 결과 정책금리가 은행의 수익성에 미치는 영향은 거의 없는 것으로 나타났습니다. 따라서 중앙은행이 금리를 인하할 때 은행의 수익성이 악화되어 금융 시스템에 불안을 일으키지는 않을까 걱정할 필요는 없어 보입니다. 다만 금융불안을 초래할 수 있는 또 다른 요소인 가계부채 문제나 대외 채무 등은 금리 인하를 결정할 때 주의 깊게 고려해야 합니다.